This lesson is going to be about understanding supplementary angles and how we can use our knowledge of right and straight angles to help us find missing angle measurements. When an angle creates a straight line, it is known as a straight angle. Yes, very creative. A straight angle is worth 180 degrees. Even if I was to split that straight angle up into two angles within it, those two angles, when I add them up, are still equal to 180 degrees. When that happens, that's called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. So let's practice using some of our understanding with this to help us find missing angle measurements. These two angles are an example of supplementary angles. This angle and this angle make a perfect straight line, meaning they will add up to equal 180 degrees. I can use a tape diagram to find the missing measurement just like we would in a word problem. My total is 180 degrees because it is a straight angle. And then I can create my tape diagram and splitting it into those two angles, one of them equaling 100. Not knowing the other one, I can put a question mark. I can use subtraction because I know my total in one part, so I take my 180, the total, minus the part I know to find that part I don't know, which was 80 degrees. So this missing angle measurement is 80 degrees. Let's practice with another angle. This time you're going to see that the missing angle is represented by a letter, which we call a variable. The variable that we're trying to solve for in this case is x. So again, I'm noticing my straight angle. So I know that when I add these two angles up, 30 and x, I'm going to get my total of 180 degrees. Now, 30 is a very small acute angle within that straight angle. And then whatever this angle measures is going to be a larger number. Again, I'm going to take my 180, my total, minus the part I know to find the part I don't know. So in this case, x, my variable, is equal to 150 degrees. Last one, again, I'm noticing my straight angle, so I know when I add these two angles up, I'm going to get a total of 180 degrees because that's how much a straight angle is worth. Using my tape diagram, I know the one angle is worth 135 degrees. I don't know exactly yet how much y is worth. I'm going to try and solve for y. Taking my total, which is 180 degrees, minus the part I know of 135, and using subtraction, I can find that my y is equal to 45 degrees.